Good evening. Today I will talk about or I will present about my project which is about observation record tools for enhancing children learnings. I will start with the brief overview of observation records. As we know, observation play an important role in early childhood education. This is because observation record is a provide educator with a valuable insight into children cognitive, social, emotional, and physical growth. Uh, Observation record also offer a clear and objective assessments of a child developmental since young children often express themselves through action rather than words. Observing their behavior in different contexts can allow educators to gather accurate and meaningful information. Next is observation record also a teaching strategy to meet individual children's needs and track a process over times. And The last one is observation record serve as evidence for assessment and communication with parents about their children's. This is because parents may not always have the opportunity to witness their children behavior in classroom setting. So by doing or making observation record, it's can be essential tools for keeping them informed. By sharing this insight with parents, educator can foster collaborating in supporting children grow at home and at school. The next slide is explanation of a selected observation method. Observation also record is play a fundamental role in early childhood education. For this project is I choose two type of observation method, which is a checklist and rating scale. Checklist and rating scale are widely used in early childhood education. This is because this method is can provide a structured and efficient way to access children developmental progress, learning ability, and behavior patterns. So, I choose the checklist because checklist particularly benefits because offer a simple, effective way to record whether a children demonstrate a particular skill or behavior. So it can help educator focus on specific developmental areas such as motor skill, language proficiency, and social interaction. So for the rating scale, it's allow educator to access the frequency of intensity of a behavior or skill using a numerical or a descriptive scale such as a 1 to 5 or rarely, sometimes, often. This method is unlike checklist which provide a binary assessments. Rating scale also offer more nuanced insight into a child developmental progress. This method is a full for tracking gradual improvement and identifying pattern in a child learning and behaviors. The next slide is a key finding from the write a report. The observation conducted using checklist and rating scale is provide valuable insight into the developmental progress of children in various areas. It can include the cognitive, social, and motor skill. So, by using this method or observation record, children can demonstrate strong engagement in hands-on activity, indicating that experiential learning is highly effective in early childhood education. So the observation is also the highlighted difference in social interaction with some children active actively the participating in group activity while others show reluctance or needed encouragement. The checklist method also prove useful in identifying specific skill that children has mastered. Such as we children can recognize in color and shape, while the rating scale is can allow for more detailed assessment of behavior such as cooperation and attention span. Through the use of this method, educators were able to point area where individuals' support was necessary, such as language development, and fine motor skill. So the last one is emphasizes the importance of continuous observation in understanding children progress. So this is by maintaining systematic record, educator can track improvement over time, where children can uh, by maintaining systematic records. By maintaining systematic record, educator can track improvement over time and implement target intervention to support each child unique developmental journey. So the next slide is a practical example or case study. So one of the example from the observation is involve a child who initial struggle with group interaction but gradually improve with structured play activity. The checklist is a help identify specific social skill the children need to develop, while the rating scale track the children progress in social engagement. The another case study is involve a child with difficult in fine motor is fine motor skill is for the example they are particularly in holding a pencil. By using the checklist, the teacher can note that the child progress in writing and drawing activities. So, by using the rating scale, we can have assess improvement in grip strength and coordination over time. So, this example also highlighted how structure observation method can inform target intervention and support children's developmental development effectively. So for the example one, which is for the checklist, a teacher noticed through checklist that a child frequently avoid group activity. This observation method lead to discussion with parent and the implementation of strategy to improve social skill. So as example two, which is a for rating scale. A rating scale is reveal the several children which who are struggle with self-regulation during the transition. So for the example, the teacher introduced a visual schedule and mindfulness technique to ease transition. So the last part is a summary of recommendation for education. Based on the observation, it is recommended that educator can continue using checklist and rating scale uh, to systematical to track children developmental. And educator also should integrate hands-on and play-based learning activity to support children in different developmental areas. So the personalized intervention also should be implemented for children who require additional support. For the example, particularly in language, social and motor skill. Regular communication with parents also should be maintained to provide insight into children progress and encourage collaboration in supporting their learning at home. So by refining observation methods and using the collected data effectively, educator also can create a more supportive and inclusive learning environment for our children. So that's all for my presentation today. Thank you.